Hey guys, welcome to my recipes. Today we'll be making everyone's favorite, corn in a cup. At least it's definitely mine when I was growing up. Where I live, most of the malls usually will have little stores that sell and serve them in cute little cups that kids adore. Not to mention, it's also highly nutritious. So firstly, for the ingredients, we've prepared 250 grams of sweet corn kernels, 25 grams of butter and half a teaspoon of fine sea salt. Before we go on, I do have a video on how to remove corn kernels from the cob easily if you're interested. I will place the link at the end of this video, so be sure to watch till the end. So to start off, we'll first have to cook the corn kernels. Well, there are basically two options to do so. You can either boil them or choose to steam them instead. To each his own. My preferred method would be to steam them, which is what I'll be doing in this video. So, to steam them, we'll start by filling a pot or a steamer with an inch deep of water and placing the steam rack on top. Then, we'll need to turn on the heat and bring the water to a boil. Once the water starts to boil, you may turn off the heat and carefully put in the corn kernels onto the steam rack and cover the lid. The steaming process basically takes about 15 minutes at medium heat. The corn will then start to become tender. Once we are done, we'll need to remove the corn kernels from the steamer and drain them through a sieve or strainer. Then, place the corn kernels into a bowl. While the corn kernels are still warm, we'll need to add the butter and salt into the corn kernels and mix them evenly so that all the flavor can be absorbed into the corn. Now, scoop up the corn and place them into little bowls or cups, and they are ready to be served. Also, you can add some cheese or flavorings to the corn depending on your likings. And it goes very well with rice as a dish, which Asian countries love. Just give it a try, you won't regret it. And if you like this video, do leave a like or comment and subscribe to our channel.